Very good morning, dear students. Hope you are safe and sound. Dear students, today I am going to restart the chapter Nazism and the rise of Hitler. And today I am going to discuss two very important questions regarding Nazi worldview and regarding racial state imagined by Nazi party in Germany. So dear students, first question is enumerate few peculiar features of Nazi world view, and these are three very important points. So first point is racial supremacy. So students, Nazi ideology was actually inspired by the ideology of Hitler. According to Hitler's point of view, there was no equality between people. According to him, Nordic Aryan. Okay, according to him, Nordic Aryan race was the best race in the world, and race of Jews was the worst race. He believed that his race, that was Nordic Aryan, had only right to rule over the world. Okay. Second point is survival of the fittest. As Hitler was very clever, so he also used scientific theory of evolution given by Darwin. Okay, so Darwin and Herbert Spencer, these two names are very important. So and Spencer to convince German people that they were the best. Herbert Spencer had given idea of the survival of fittest, and Hitler very cleverly exploited and misused that theory to persuade German people. He told simply that theory of survival of the fittest says only those species can survive on the earth that can adapt themselves to changing climatic conditions. So only strongest race would survive on the earth, and weak races would end and perish from the earth. So this was the reason why Hitler killed lowest race Jews in Germany, so that his race Nordic Aryans could survive best. That was only a madness and an outright ignorance. Next point is concept of Lebensraum. So Hitler also gave concept of Lebensraum. According to this concept, Hitler wanted new territories where he could settle Aryan people. He also wanted natural resources obtained from those new territories to use in the development of his race Aryan. Therefore, he invaded on Poland, Czechoslovakia, Austria and Russia. Now I am going to describe question number 2. List 3 characteristics of racial state imagined by Nazi party in Germany. So students, you know that Hitler wanted to create a country where only his race could live. So he wanted to make Germany free from non-Aryan people. For this purpose, first he divided German population into two sections, desirable and undesirable. Okay, so desirable versus undesirable. Nordic Aryans were considered desirable, and Jews, tribal people, gypsies and others were considered undesirable. Second point is very important, exclusion and persecution. Second steps taken by Hitler was to exclude non-Aryans from Aryan people and from society of Aryan people. So he started to exclude non-Aryans from government jobs. He also confiscated lands forcefully from non-Aryans and encouraged Aryans to boycott Jewish people both in business and culture and society. Third point is ghettoization and elimination. How to pronounce ghettoization and elimination? So third steps taken by Hitler was to force non-Aryans and Jewish people to live in separate area called ghetto, and Hitler then cut complete connection between Aryans and non-Aryans and Jews, and the last step was to kill all non-Aryans people through gas chamber. As a result, millions of Jews, Gypsies, and Polish people mean people of Poland, Polish people were killed mercilessly by Hitler. So we can say that act an act of madness, an act of ignorance. So students, these are three very, very important points that I described right now. So go and complete your classwork and send in the group. So thank you. Bye for now. Khuda.